Welcome back to Data. In the previous chapter, we used Copilot Pro to draft a marketing report on social media platform performance. We generated detailed paragraphs on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and more. In this chapter, we're going to take it a step further by focusing on outlines. Imagine you need to expand on the report structure to ensure it covers every important aspect. I'll show you how to use Copilot to build a detailed document based on your outline and how to refine those sections quickly. Don't forget to subscribe and take a look at the written guide linked in the description box below so you can follow along with the tutorial. Ready? Let's dive in. So in the previous chapter, we drafted a report on how various social media platforms like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and more performed over the last quarter. Let's say we now want to organize this content into a full-fledged report by outlining it and having Copilot expand each section. This is where outlining really comes in handy for structuring larger reports, proposals, or even case studies. So here's how we'll expand our draft using a table of contents that's based on the analysis of social media platform performance. First, we need to map out a structure for the report using the insights we generated earlier. We create an outline with 4 key sections. Let's say in this example, we'll go with Introduction, Platform Performance Breakdown, Key Metrics and Data, and Conclusion. So this outline will help Copilot know how to organize and expand the report structure. Let's see how Copilot can take this outline and turn it into fully written sections. To draft the introduction, let's highlight the introduction paragraph, click this Copilot button, and let's say... Notice that once I've drafted a prompt, Copilot will give some prompt suggestions. If you press the tab button, it will go ahead and take the suggestions. So let's click the generate button and see what Copilot says. So you see, with just very simple few clicks, it was able to generate a whole new introduction paragraph for us. If you are happy with this result, you can click the Keep It button. Let's say now you want to start expanding the platform performance breakdown section, where we analyze the different channels like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and the rest. Again, highlight this section, click on the Copilot icon. You can type something like generate content for this section. But since we have already generated a rough outline in the previous chapter, let's go ahead and grab that content, move it down to this section. Now I'm going to ask Copilot to generate a more formal report based on this outline. Now watch Copilot take over. It will build out each subheadings and add more depth to your initial analysis, incorporating key insights and metrics. As you can see that it was able to generate a full social media marketing report for me with the introduction and a different platform breakdown, as well as a report formatting without me asking for it, which is really great. Let's go ahead and keep this. As you can see, Copilot takes the rough data from your outline and expands it into clear, detailed paragraphs with insights, allowing you to flesh out your report quickly and with minimal effort. Now let's move on to the key metrics and data section. Let's say in this case, we want Copilot to help us generate a report with more detailed figures on performance, ROI, engagement rates, and user growth. It was able to quickly extract out important information for engagement metrics, sales growth, and platform-specific KPIs. And this section is critical for presenting data-backed insights to stakeholders. Copilot makes sure it's detailed. In a case where you wish this data is presented more professionally, you can continue to prompt Copilot to do so. And don't forget, if the initial content doesn't quite hit the mark, you can always regenerate it. This is especially useful for sections like strategies for improvement or conclusions, where you might need different styles or approaches. Simply prompt Copilot to generate alternative strategies or summarize the key takeaways in a concise manner. Copilot will come up with fresh ideas and new perspectives. Using outlines with Copilot is perfect for larger reports that require multiple sections with detailed content, business proposals that need a structured approach with data, strategies, and conclusions, any documents where you want to break down complex topics and expand on them quickly. By creating an outline, you give Copilot the roadmap it needs to help you generate a full document from start to finish. So now let's finish by expanding the conclusion section of this report. All we have written is the word conclusion in the outline, but we want Copilot to summarize the findings. Here's what Copilot might generate. I had to prompt Copilot a few times before getting this result, which I'm satisfied with. So feel free to keep regenerating it till you're happy with the result. And with just a few simple outlines, Copilot has created a full, professional, insightful marketing report for you. And that's how you can use Copilot to expand documents using an outline. Whether you're working on a detailed analysis of social media performance, like we did today, or drafting a business proposal, Copilot helps you turn your structure into detailed, professional content. It's a major time saver, especially for complex reports. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. In the next chapter, we'll explore how to edit and refine your content with Copilot, ensuring your document is not only well written, but also clear, concise, and polished. From changing the tone to tightening up your language, I'll show you how to get the perfect draft with just a few clicks. See you in the next video!